Another day, another story from Infinitesimal Insights. Welcome to the Cosmic Cleaning Service. Imagine a vacuum cleaner so powerful, it could suck up a star like it was a dust bunny. That's a black hole for you. But wait, this is not your average dust buster. Picture a robotic vacuum cleaner, but instead of cleaning your floors, it's moving in space with a circular dark center, just like a black hole. Our story begins with a star, much bigger than our sun. When such a star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity. This leads to a massive explosion, a supernova. What's left behind can form a black hole, the universe's most powerful vacuum cleaner. Every black hole has a boundary, called the event horizon. It's like the point of no return. Once something crosses the event horizon, it can't escape the black hole's gravitational pull. Once you're in, there's no way out. Talk about a one-way trip. Black holes are so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. Black holes don't just clean up, they're also great at bending light. This phenomenon is known as gravitational lensing. It's like the universe's own magnifying glass, bending light around the black hole due to its intense gravity. Handy, right? Black holes are the universe's most wanted, always hiding in the shadows. But don't worry, we're on the case, unraveling the mysteries of these cosmic vacuum cleaners. Did you know that most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, have a supermassive black hole at their center? These supermassive black holes can have millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. Some of these black holes are feeding on surrounding matter, creating a quasar, the brightest objects in the universe. If you could survive a trip into a black hole, you'd experience something called spaghettification. This is where gravity stretches you into long, thin shapes like spaghetti. Did you know black holes can collide and merge? When they do, they send out ripples in the fabric of space-time. These are called gravitational waves. Scientists have even detected these waves with an experiment called LIGO. Talk about making waves in the universe. Join us on this wild ride through the universe, where cleaning up takes on a whole new meaning. Thanks for watching.